Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I name myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice drop 2 chord progressions in the key of C sharp. I've been getting requests to do stuff in C sharp. So now this we're gonna be in the key of C sharp, but I'm gonna do B flat minor. So let's do this song. Yahweh 6 in the key of C sharp 5, then Yahweh 2. Hey. Let me go again from 4. Yahweh, whoo. Yahweh. I'm not a singer. All right, let's go. You are glorious, so glorious in your way. I'm going to show you this chord voicings now. But then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, it's a course where I taught over 2 hours. Those stuff you see on the screen. So to get it, check the details, just the description or the comment section of this video. I should get a link to get your copy. It's just 7,500 for people in Nigeria and then $12 for people abroad. But trust me, the value is more than what you get, is more than what you pay, what the price you pay. All right, so let me show you this real quick. So I was doing, depending on how you choose to do this, Yahweh 6, hey, but not about this, Yahweh 2, oh, right? Then 4. Then you do. All right, so what's that? That's E diminished 7 drop 2. So we are doing E diminished 7 drop 2. That means we are dropping the A flat to the left. We are taking that to E flat diminished drop 2, diminished 7. Then you do the drop 2. Then to your 6 chord. So for people who are not be familiar with that, let me call the notes. On the left you have a B flat, on the right you have a E, G, and D flat. On the right, the next chord we have a A. Sorry, on the left you have a A for the next chord. On the right you have a A flat, E flat, and C. Then to your 6. So next time you want to play this song, Yahweh, Yahweh, you are glorious, so glorious. Don't forget to add it in your way. Is everywhere. See how far you go. Is everywhere. Da da da. Nice, don't forget. Da da da. Da da. All my day, I will sing your praise. Don't forget. Oh, let's say. They just did something like that in his vocal, runs while doing the callback for the song. And as a pianist also, you should follow your singer to do that also. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel. Follow me for many more. God bless you.